When opening the box, you will find a QR code on top of the inner flap. Scanning the QR code will guide you to the C1 series instruction manuals. In the manual, you will find all product specifications and safety precautions that should be read before you begin the installation of any reel. On the side of the carton and in the instruction manual, you will find the product dimensions. We recommend checking you have enough space to fit your reel without interference. Beside the QR code on the top inner flap of the carton, you will find the installation template. We recommend using this to mark your mounting holes. The two mounting holes as marked in the template are 8.5mm in diameter. The fixings you choose should be suitable for the weight of the reel and the surface type in your application. When preparing your fixing method, ensure you don't tighten them flush with the surface. A 5mm gap should be left. This is very important. When ready, lift the reel into place. Once your reel is in place, you can tighten your fixings. After your reel is mounted, you can adjust your hose stopper to the desired length. And now you're ready to connect your reel. Congratulations, you are ready to go. Thank you for choosing a Retracta C1 series reel.